What's up, my profilers? How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. I got some things to go over, and I'm doing some new things. As you guys can see, I got 2 amps in front of me, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to be doing with these 2 amps. But before I do that, let me tell you what Deedee's getting ready to do and what I got coming up as well. So, first things first, Deedee is going to take a break for a couple days. You know, like maybe a week or so, to give myself a little vacation time because I need it, and it's time for me to take a vacation. So I'm gonna do that. But while I'm on vacation, I'm probably gonna be doing some music and stuff like that, putting some music together and stuff for you guys. But I am going to be uploading this video for the week too, so I'll still be there, but not be there. So with that said, moving on to subject number 2. Put my coffee down before I spill it all over the place. Okay, this orange amp right here, this is a Crush 112, and my dad bought this for me. I think it was last summer. He actually found it in the trash, and he knows I play guitar and stuff like that, so he brought it over. I plugged it in, messed with it a little bit. It would not work. It had, I don't know if it had a short in it or whatnot, but it didn't work. So I was just use it for like a prop, you know what I mean? So the other day I was cleaning up my closet, and I found this little guy. I forgot I had this thing. My stepdaughter gave this to me a couple years ago, and I put it in the closet because I really don't use it no more because the speaker, it got like a little tear in it, so it wasn't really like sounding all that great. So I just put it in the closet, you know, a little sentimental amp. So when I seen this the other day, I had the bright idea. How about I take this Voice of the World speaker out of this orange, since I love orange tone and the orange sound so much, and let's put it in this amp. So the speaker was the same size, so this morning I did just that. And I want to show you guys, because the process was long, so I'm kind of speeding things up. So, taking apart the amp. I know guys, and it's sad, but it don't work anyway. And as you can see, I took the speaker out and I put, this is a speaker out of this amp. As you can see, it's got a tear in it, it's ratty-tatty, you know. And I'll show you what I put in this thing. Set this down real quick. Hold on a minute, guys. I'm not gonna stab nobody, I swear. I'm gonna pop the back off of it. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I did. Now check this speaker out, y'all. I put an orange speaker in it. And it, man, this thing sounds good, as you guys heard, like getting ready to hear this thing. This thing sounds amazing. I hooked my whole pedal board up to it, and it's got that fat orange tone, man. I love it, just love it. And I'm like, cool, it's loud enough to jam out on, so I'm probably gonna be using it a lot for my clean sound, because, you know, 6505 is not really clean. I can get cleanish sounds out of there, hence the word cleanish, so, yeah. But now I'm gonna put the back on it and everything, and jam out with it. So, without further ado, before I go, I'm gonna give you guys a salute, peace, and goodbye. Frame 2, moving. Okay, we got power. It's gonna be coming out of here. Gain. Don't put the gain up too high because you're trying to use your clean sound. what do you know, guys? It works. It sounds kind of clear. Sounds fuller. Sounds better than it ever did. Wow, y'all. Wow. That's all I'm going to say, guys. That amp never sound like that. It sounds fuller, deeper. I'm going to be using this a lot, guys. I got a new practice sound. Wow. Wow. And I got my whole board hooked up to it, guys. I got a nice clean channel. That's clean as clean can get. And I can really hear my effects. I love this guitar. Man, I love this guitar. Okay.